We're finally in Boracay. So it's 2:53. We're gonna go on a 10 at 3:30. So I'm just getting ready. We're preparing to go 10 and I'm so excited because I love the beach here. We're currently staying in the district, which is in Station 2. It's super near D Mall. I'm honestly just so happy to be in the beach right now because I haven't been to the beach in a while and I'm so excited to tan. Boracay is my favorite beach, I'm not gonna lie. Finished swimming and we got ready because I want to try Mango Mama here in Boracay. Like I said, like I've been here like so many times, but I haven't tried Mango Mama. I've tried Coco Mama, I've tried Ube Mama, and I don't know why I didn't try Mango Mama. But today will be the day. Get this one. I like king shrimp.
Me too.
It was so good.
Never mind, that was okay. That's an okay price.
Yeah, it wasn't so bad, I
Yeah,
guess.
because the shrimp were like fat.
You go there for like for the shrimp, for the scallops.
But I still enjoyed the crab though.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's still good.
This is a crab stand.
Yeah, but I just don't like making you buy.
I've been doing it for you. I don't mind. I like doing it.
Yeah, but I don't know, it's just hassle anyway.
Yeah, sure. Don't be good.
So we're thinking of buying a wine.
Do you like?
Because we're
would
gonna
you
have
rather
wine
do
night
wine?
and the.
Like white or red? Baka you're more lean. Maybe you lean more towards white, no?
I can try red if you know how to choose one. Yeah.
Not really.
Okay. Then get the white. Piolo literally has an app for like looking at wine. He says whatever hits 4 stars first, that's what we're gonna get.
Wait, that makes me sound pretentious. I'm just like, and I have no basis for. Oh.
What is it? 4.
Yeah, Saka. I'm okay to buy this.
Okay, it's 4. So we're gonna get this one. Figured that we don't have any cork opener in the hotel.
Chardonnay. Wait,
So we're just gonna get one that can like, it's just a screw top. Yeah, let's just get that. Let's go. We just stayed in and drank some wine. Then passed out at literally 9 p.m. y'all. Guys, there was 26 people waiting in line in Sunnyside. So we're moving to a different restaurant for brunch, which is Mezarap. I heard good reviews about it too. We're not waiting in line for like 26, like 7 groups, guys. That's just too much. Guys, the sun is finally out! So, I was gonna go get dessert first, but I don't want to miss the sun. So, we're gonna go get a tan. I'm so excited. And then we're gonna go get dessert after. Fiala bought some mangoes. I personally don't like mangoes. He likes with bagoong, but I don't like it. But I'll try it just because we're here. It's the first time we actually bought from a vendor at the beach. But he super loves them. It's sweet, y'all. I've actually never tried it with bagoong. So maybe this will be the first time, you guys. You guys get to witness it.
The whole mango.
Entire mango? It's pretty good. But it's more like savory sweet. The bagoong's really good though. Yummy.
I would say a lot more though.
Yeah, it's like flavorful. Yeah, for the amount of mango that they're selling, the bagoong is so konti. Like,
Yeah,
look
I'm
at the
a
bagoong.
dipper, guys. I buy stuff to dip.
So we just finished tanning and it's finally time to get some dessert. So we're going to Ice Flakes, which is in Limo, and I'm so excited. So guys, I'm honestly so sad because it's so gloomy out right now in Boracay. It's currently almost noon and we haven't eaten. We literally woke up at 11:30 a.m., which is kind of late. But that's okay because what's there to do if it's gloomy in Boracay anyway? We're gonna go have lunch in Subo. My friend recommended it to me. It has this like grilled Filipino food, which I'm super excited to try because she says that it's the best one here. So remember when I told you guys that it was gloomy a while ago? Well, it's finally sunny, guys. I'm asking Piolo, like, what would happen if my camera got like stolen?
You're chasing after this guy.
And then
It's gonna be cool because we're gonna have because I don't think he stopped recording it, right?
Yeah.
So he's recording it while I'm running after his ass.
and also he told me to like hold down the fort because he's like saying
Yeah,
that
right.
like
Because the matter, no, like I think people steal one object and then his other buddies are waiting for you to leave your stuff and then they steal all your other stuff while you're chasing the other guy.
I cannot chase like I'm in a bikini, like I can't run that fast in a bikini, yo.
So I'd rather him steal the DJI than my wallet.
Actually, really?
Yeah, I have like stuff in my wallet.
Okay, fair. But like we have memories in this DJI.
Oh, you can keep him.
Yeah. Conversations by the beach, yo. So we're in True Home right now, and my friends reco this to me because they said they had good carbonara. So let's try all the food here, and they have so many things on the menu. I love the ambience, and I can't wait to try their food here. Don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. Never mind. See you, Manila.